Chana masala. These are the ingredients referred to the recipe. Heat up the onion tomato gravy. Once the gravy starts releasing oil, add the chana. Add little bit of water and bring it to a boil. When the chana is soft, add the chana masala powder to it. Cook it so the masala gets cooked in the gravy. Add the butter masala gravy to that. Cook it thoroughly so everything combines together. Add chopped cilantro. Don't cook too much. Remove from the fire. Pour it in a bowl. It should be like a semi-gravy, not too much of gravy in that. Garnish with julienne of ginger and chopped cilantro on top. We are doing the onion tomato gravy as a base. These are the ingredients you need to start off with. These are the spices and all the seasonings going along with that. Heat oil. Temper all the spices, add onions and rest of the ingredients. Cook it till it becomes like this. Once the oil starts releasing, remove it and put it in a bowl. Butter masala gravy. You will need all these ingredients. Refer to the recipe. Heat the tomato onion gravy, add butter. Add cream, cook it till it is very smooth. It should be light in color. Remove and put it in a bowl.